if I'm going to do certain research oriented things in my undergraduate program, where where that thing's going to help me? That's serious question about any student if he's going to see this presentation slide. I think these are the outline. This is 4 point I need to discuss with you guys. Not beyond this thing I am going to discuss about it. I think how many money the your country or maximum across the globe people are going to invest in research. Research is very much important for you guys. You need to understand every time whenever we talk about the research, the people are segregating this word and they identifying re and then is being search. You are re-identifying the certain problem or solution, whichever the problem you people are getting. But if honestly understanding as an undergraduate level why I required research, first thing, if I want to go for higher studies in foreign universities, or if I'm going for Indian Institute or any premium institute in India, at that moment of time, if you are having good publication or good research background, at that moment of time you are having added advantage with your peers. With your peers means if you are 1000 people have applied to University of Berkeley, at that moment of time if your application is having research oriented task, at that moment of time you are way ahead of them. That's the first thing you need to understand. Research will give you the good recognition in front of the people where you had applied, either in job, either in your post graduation, anywhere. You need to understand it. So this is first thing you need to understand why you need to do the research, just not to get the good admission at premium institution, but even in addition to that, if you are going for any job perspective, at that moment of time also the people are considering your research profile. Research does not means you need to invent some new laws like Newton's third law or anything. You people need to understand your supervisor means your faculty member who are working at Charusat University. The people are doing the research, and if you are contributing in that research and publishing good papers, I'm telling good papers mean you need to add a good Scopus index or Web of Science index paper, or even as an undergraduate level, if you are publishing your paper in IEEE conference, that's very nice for you because it will give you the added advantage in your resume than the others. So this is the first and foremost thing why we need to do the research. That's our benefit for job as well as for higher studies as well as for recognition in the scientific community. It's not like that the undergraduate student cannot do the research if only your professor or the senior professor can do the research. Research is done across the globe, across the vertical, across the industry, academics, everybody is doing the research. It's not like that only your teacher is doing the research or university is doing the research. Your industry, pharma industry, business oriented, any vertical, I'm talking transportation, healthcare, public sector, power sector, everyone is doing the research. Without research, we cannot survive. That's the simplest thing we are having. You're getting or not? Yes, no. Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just simple example, all of you are computer engineering students. So just I want to ask you, the first computer system that we had invented was the vacuum tube, right? If the people stop the research or the people didn't invented the solution, how can you are getting your mobile phone or pen top or any compact devices from your vacuum tube to your laptops, or you can say that your SSD hard disk now. Now your laptops are very much lightweight due to your hard disk invention. SSD means your solid state drive. I think majority of your, just wait a second. Hello. बोलो. वांधो नहीं. हाँ हाँ. Hello. So what exactly component are used to build your computer system or your laptops? Any one of you, because you are fourth semester student, you might had learned certain components, electronics components in your curriculum. Any one of you, I'm not talking about your uppercase, but exactly how your computer is been built. Any one of you, have you
The
heard about?
processors,
Correct. Microprocessor is there, resistor is there, every component is there. But which component is used to build your microprocessor?
silicon,
What?
silicon,
Okay, it's your
SI.
ICs, right? Means
Okay, yes.
means your transistor is there. In your one microprocessor, there are billions of transistors the people are using to build. Now you need to assume that what's your size of your transistor? Anyone, random guess. If I'm telling in your one microprocessor chip or your microcontroller chip, you are having billions of transistors. So assume that the size of the transistor. Every component, your gate, your microprocessor, everything is built with your silicon wafers. Your transistor is built from your silicon wafers, right? So what is the size of your transistor?
Barely a few picometers.
Nowadays, the people are using picometers, hot particles. Absolutely correct. So there is one thing you people might be hearing there about Moore's law or Moore's law. You people had learned in your digital electronics. What was that? Anyone? Random guess about it. Not asking your technical detail about Moore's law. Moore's told that every 18 months your transistor size become half. Your every 18 months your transistor size became half. In I think till 2017 your Moore's law is applicable. Now your Moore's law is not applicable. Every 18 months is not going to become your transistor size in half. So you need to understand from the vacuum tube to your computer system that you are using right now how you evolve. The people are inventing such technology, nanotechnologies to minimize the size of the your transistor, and now you can see your computer system that you can carry and use at any place. This is the basic things why we need to do the research. Or if we think about that, from last 18 months you people are facing the problem of COVID-19, right? Nowadays you are having COVID-19 vaccines also. What the people are doing, every time the people are telling they are inventing the vaccines and they are then using phase 1 trial, phase 2 trial, phase 3 trial. Anyone knowing about that phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 trials? What do you mean by that vaccine need to be goes under the trial? Kavi socha?
Uh, so in the very elementary phase of research, what they'll do is they'll try it on rats and species which are very close to the human being.
Okay.
If there they get success, then they'll try it in a at a very low scale. That is phase one, barely a few hundred people.
Hmm.
And then if they are a success, if the vaccine is considerably successful, so like the percentage being close to 80 to 85 percentage, then they'll scale up a bit. That is a moderate level scaling up at level 2 or phase 2.
Hmm.
And then at phase 3 it would become large scale.
Okay. So he's been absolutely correct. Whatever he had interpreted, what the you mean by phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 trial. So you people considering this vaccines are very much stable vaccine, right? Your Covidshield or your Covaxin or Sputnik V. Yes, no. Because we are
Yes.
talking about research, this has been elementary point of research because everyone in the world require to add a safety against your COVID-19, right? But from my point of view, still till 2023 June, we didn't find it out the stable vaccine. Every day you are forming up that after doing your genome sequences, you find it out new variant, right? And sometimes telling that this variant is being not tackled by your Covaxin or Covishield. So till maturity of your vaccine means all the pharma industry is doing the research, right? Either in US, either in Russia or in any countries, they people are doing this research, and they every day finding out the solution for it. It's not like that. If you want to introduce any vaccine or any drugs in the market, if the people are inventing, they take almost 18 months of cycle. If we talk about COVID-19 detected in December 2019, till that has been only 18 months, though your vaccine has been introduced way early in 2021. So they people didn't take exact 18 months. And honestly, they people are still finding new variants and finding the serious flaws in their vaccine. If they are taken the vaccine, then also you people are infected by the COVID-19. Even I had, after my second vaccine also, I had infected with COVID-19. So you people need to understand why to do the research. This is primary thing. If there is certain pandemic at that moment of time, you need to find it out the solution. Otherwise, complete human community can be vanished by such type of things. So how much money people are investing or how much money the country is investing in research, that's very important point for understanding the research. This is the data that I had collected for you guys. Global spending on research had reached at a record high of almost $1.7 trillion. I don't know the conversion in the money, so please don't ask that type of thing. But this is seriously big number.
1.7 trillion, sir, is nearly possibly what, more than 50% of India's total GDP per year.
That's true.
हमारी इकोनॉमी डॉलर की है.
But how much India is investing in research? I think
Barely
I'll talk.
हम इन्वेस्ट नहीं करते हैं. What we do is we create the center of excellence which are run by our babus. So mainly उनको ही पगार देने में ही निकल जाता है. जो कुछ थोड़ा सा बचता है 1-2 लाख रुपए शायद अगर बच जाए तो वो हम करप्शन के नाम पे थोड़ा सा अंडर कर लेते हैं.
That's absolutely correct. He's been very honest student, I think, so I had ever listened. But honestly, it's been 0.4 or 0.04% we are investing of our GDP. That I don't know the student name, but I can tell him, sir, whatever the sir has suggested is absolutely correct. Which countries are investing most in research, that also we can see that. But seriously, why we need to do the research is first primary motivation. If we take the per million data of Indian community, it's hardly 100 or 101 people is doing the research per million in India. So if you want to build your career and having good financial background for after your job, so it means research is very primary focus for your career. If you are doing research, you are getting good job as well as good position as well as good money. Please understand this thing. He is absolutely correct. Our governance is being not that much strong. That's why we cannot eliminate the corruption from our system. So on that point, I seriously didn't want to comment, but $1.3 trillion has been huge, honestly. Honestly, 50% of our current GDP has been $1.7 trillion, but conversion we don't know. So this is the primary motivation. People are investing money in the research. Everything you can see that right now you can see your fans are becoming smart. So the people are doing the research, honestly. It's not like that the fans becoming smart means it's not sensing the data. It's simply your internets of things and you are put certain sensor sensing the temperature and automatic based on that your fan speed is coming up or down. It's not like that. It's require huge amount of research before you are inventing something. If you talk about your mobile phone, everything, it's not like that only healthcare industry or pharma industry or your shipping, power sector or any industry, the people are using it money. But seriously, we required huge amount of money to invent something. Even we can talk about your electric car. Why the people are inventing electric car? Any one of you, why the people are inventing electric car? We are having diesel petrol car, even we are having green fuel like CNG, then why we need to use electric version? Any one of you, though you are computer science student, you people are knowing that thing.
वो हमारी इकोनॉमी इंडिपेंडेंट हो जाती है.
That's very nice point of view. Honestly, मैंने दूसरा सोचा था. I'm talking about environmental stuff, but he's talking about the if you our largest fiscal deficit because we are importing crude from the other countries, right? If we use the electric vehicle or CNG basically there's a carbon emission, we need to reduce it out from the atmosphere. If you are reducing out, you can reduce it out your earth temperature. That's a phenomenal correlation your people are having. But if you are not importing the crude, means the whatever the sir is told, that your country became independent. First thing, deficit is going to reduce heavily, because your most of the deficit come from the crude oil only, and every day you people are using it. That's why your Tesla is more popular, because he has invented some electric cars and now he's selling like anything. Now Tata Motors has already introduced an electric car. If you charge one time battery, it will almost going to run 370 kilometers. From my point of view, it's been very nice. From here to Mumbai you can travel in one run, so it's very nice. So upcoming era is for your electric version of car. The first reason is obviously you are financially independent, you are making your country financially independent. That's first point. Second thing, you are reducing the environmental pollution that you had a serious problem in it. So this is the reason why people are inventing such thing. If we talk about the first iPhone and right now iPhone 12, it means seriously the differentiating term, whatever you need in your research. Why every organization or every industry required research wing? Because their future is dependent on it. If we talk about mobile technology, just one example I'm giving. If we think about that, Reliance Communication is run by Anil Dhirubhai Ambani, right? And at that moment of time, you are having Vodafone, it's been known as Hutch, and then it's been overtaken by Vodafone company, that's been European company, and Airtel is there. These three telecom providers are there in 2005 to 10 eras, if we talk about it. At that moment of time, Vodafone and Airtel had taken the GSM technology and Reliance Communication work on CDMA technology. Now you exactly see what exactly happened to Reliance Communication and what exactly happened to your Airtel and Vodafone. Have you ever imagined why completely wealth of the Anil Dhirubhai Ambani is vanished out? He didn't adapt the technology, first thing. Two service provider had taken the GSM, he's taken the CDMA technology. It's been outdated. And based on that, he had done the massive investment. Now you can see that. After that, the Geo came, then also it's been surviving because it's providing the solution for you. Till Geo has come, at that moment of time, we are paying 250 rupees for 1 GB of data. And now we are paying for complete month has been 240 or 250 rupees for 2 GB data per day. Yes, no. So how the people are providing you the solution? इतना सस्ता दे कैसे दिया उन्होंने? घर से दे दिया क्या? इतने सालों से टेलीकॉम ऑपरेटर हमको 250 रुपए का 3G डेटा देते थे. If I am not wrong, 3G. हाँ. How the people are providing you the cheapest solution? After that, obviously, your Vodafone and Airtel also reduce the internet prices. कैसे उन्होंने सस्ता दे दिया? कभी सोचा? Yes, no. कुछ भी आंसर देना है, ये टेक्निकल आंसर नहीं है. वी आर जस्ट शेयरिंग सर्टेन इंफॉर्मेशन. जैसे सर ने अभी बोला, उस हिसाब से ही इज हैविंग ग्रेट इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द कंट्री, इकोनॉमिक्स एंड ऑल द थिंग्स. सो यू नीड टू शेयर योर इंफॉर्मेशन. इतना सस्ता इंटरनेट आपको मिला कैसे? और पहले कॉल करने के लिए कोई 25 पैसे या 30 पैसे या 50 पैसे लगते थे. आई डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली द प्राइस, बट हाउ द पीपल आर प्रोवाइडिंग द solution where we don't need to pay for our voice call. In last lockdown also there is certain voice call limit that 900 minutes the people are providing for 1 month or 1200 minutes. After that you need to pay the money. કેમ સસ્તું ઇન્ટરનેટ આપ્યું?
वो लॉस लीडिंग स्ट्रेटेजी के थ्रू जीत गए ना.
क्या?
So like what Airtel and Vodafone used to do was that कि वो लोग पहले केवल और केवल कस्टमर एक्विजिशन और रिटेंशन पे ध्यान देते थे.
करेक्ट.
कस्टमर एक्विजिशन बीइंग कि भाई मैं एडवर्टीजमेंट कर करके, जैसे कि आईपीएल में वोडाफोन के वो जूजूस की बहुत ऐड आती थी. सो द थिंग प्राइमरीली तो वो लोग कस्टमर एक्वायर करते थे और उसको रिटेंशन करने का ट्राई करते थे. बट ट्राई करेंगे, अगर रिटेंट नहीं भी होता है तो उसको कॉम्पिटिटर के पास ही जाना पड़ता था, बिकॉज नो ऑप्शंस ऑब्वियसली. The second thing that Jio did was कि वो लोग खाली कस्टमर को अक्वायर करेंगे, रिटेंशन के लिए उन्होंने पूरा एक सिस्टम ऑफ सिस्टम्स बना दिया कि जैसे कि भाई आपको अगर क्लाउड की जरूरत है तो आप AWS यूज करो या फिर गूगल ड्राइव यूज करो, उससे अच्छा आप जियो क्लाउड पे शिफ्ट हो जाओ. आपको मूवीज देखनी है तो Amazon प्राइम या फिर नेटफ्लिक्स से बदले आप जियो सिनेमा पे वही मूवी फ्री में देख लो, एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. सो वो एक पार्ट था.
With this
So
business
rather,
model, the people are working. He's telling
so
that
rather,
obviously Jio provides some different business model solution than the Airtel or Vodafone. But my question was that how the people are providing cheapest internet solution. अगर इतना ही सस्ता पड़ता था तो पिछले 20 साल से इन लोगों ने आपसे जितने पैसे लिए, या आपके पेरेंट्स से पैसे लिए, या आपके दीदी से लिए, या भाई से लिए, सोच लो कितने पैसे उन्होंने कमाए आपसे. कभी ऐसा सोचा? You need to understand it. If 250 rupees the people are taking right now for 1 month of complete internet plus for your voice data, before this for internet you are just paying 250 rupees or round about 250 rupees. So what exactly the people have done from their research?
अरे वो उसके अंदर ट्राई में वो उनको कुछ પેલું કઈક ખરીદવું પડતું હતું ને એમાં કઈક કૌભાંડ બહાર આવ્યો તો 2G કે 3G स्पेक्ट्रम
वो
વાળો.
स्पेक्ट्रम खरीदना था बेटा.
तो
जो
हाँ, so ये
स्पेक्ट्रम
तो
बेसिकली
पता है
900 मेगाहर्ट्ज the people are using. जैसे वोडाफोन वर्क ऑन 900 megahertz, एयरटेल आर वर्किंग ऑन 1200 or 1500 megahertz, right? But the answer honest is they people are using VoIP, voice over IP. The simplest word is that everyone knowing about this technology and the people are using it. VoIP is very cheapest solution for your voice data. Very cheapest solution, I think, not taken more than penny. So if you think about it, Jio had given you the certain solution, everyone having this solution, but for earning more money, the people are not providing you the solution. After Jio had opened up the market, at that moment of time, they need to come up with the solution. Honestly, you need to think about it. Okay, why the people are giving such cheapest data? Because internet basically invented where? In India or somewhere else?
US.
Internet, correct. If we are using US protocol, that's why we need to pay such type of things. If we had our own country's protocol, we don't need to pay for the internet. That's why in Europe, or if you talk about US, there's very cheap internet rates. Now Tesla is providing satellite-based internet solution for you, right? So you need to think about it. Everyone is inventing in across the vertical. It's not only the your internet, computer, consumer, durables, or anything, whatever comes to your mind. Everything the people are inventing and they're providing solution to the customer or whatever are going to use this thing. I think we talk about why we need to do this thing. It means three basic things are there for your job purpose, your post-graduation purpose, or your financial benefit. This three country has been top in research. Finland, basically, if we talk about per million data, Finland had a 7,707 people who are doing research. If India, we talk about is in 3-digit number. From 139 crore, if we talk about per million data, we are having not more than 3-digit people who are doing the fundamental research. Means how much big scopes are there for your job purposes over here. That first primary thing you need to think about it. Second thing, nowadays you people had heard about entrepreneurship, startups. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Entrepreneurship, startups, and all the things. If that thing is correlated with your research, or that is independent thing. ये जुदू है क्या सेम है? Startup, innovation, entrepreneurship. Is there is some difference between your startup, entrepreneurship, innovation, and your research, or it's been in line with this? खाली केवानु झाके ना मने वांधो नहीं है. मैंने पहले ही बोला हम लेक्चर नहीं ले रहे, हम इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर कर रहे हैं. जो मेरे पास है मैं आपको दे रहा हूँ, आपके पास है आप मेरे को दे सकते हो. We are not table teaching we are doing over here. Or if I am taking your lecture in the future, then also I will consider that thing. I'm just sharing the information. I'm not teaching you nothing. Innovation એટલે હું? What do you mean by innovation?
Do something new on the already existing things.
Okay. What do you mean by improvisation?
Improvisation means जो already था वही सर innovation जैसा ही हुआ ना वो.
इसीलिए this is our correlated
टेक्नोलॉजी
word,
में
that's
हम
why
उसको innovation बोलते हैं.
टेक्नोलॉजी में हम उनको इनोवेशन, कैन यू ऐड अ एग्जांपल ऑफ इनोवेशन और इम्प्रोवाइजेशन?
सर जैसे कि हम पहले कॉल से आता था तो उससे ट्रेन चलती थी, तो अब उससे आगे थोड़ा बिजली से चलने लगी और फिर बुलेट ट्रेन आई, तो इस तरह से प्रोग्रेशन चलता गया और वो भी एफिशिएंट बनते गया। सभी चीज़ों में ऐसे, जो कंप्यूटर में भी ऐसे हुआ, सभी जो भी टेक्नोलॉजिकल थिंग्स है उनमें ऐसे चेंजेस आते गए।
करेक्ट। देन व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप?
सो उस चीज़ को लाने के लिए, रियल लाइफ में प्रूव करने के लिए हमें कुछ लोगों की ज़रूरत होती है, तो उसके लिए एक लीडर होता है, जैसे कि हम एंटरप्रेन्योर जिनको कहते हैं। तो वो लोग ऐसी टीम बिल्ड करते हैं, ऐसी सिस्टम हायरार्की क्रिएट करते हैं कि जिससे वो उस जो उनका कंसेप्ट है उसको पार पाड़ सके।
Absolutely correct. If we talk about Apple, honestly, एप्पल का इन्वेंटर कौन था? Who is the main inventor of Apple? Any one of you?
Steve
Correct. Steve
Wozniak.
Jobs, right? So if we talk about the journey of Steve Jobs, he definitely had been removed from the Apple organization by the board of the members. He had removed from the organization. Then he started his new startup. After that, Apple had acquired the startup, and again Steve Jobs became the head of Apple. So first thing you need to understand, at that moment of time, Steve Jobs told to her wife that the people had steal my job, but they people didn't steal my ideas, which are in my mind. Let's honestly understand the entrepreneurs are there. The people are bold enough. Honestly, I say bold enough because if you are inventing anything new, the acceptability it's very less. In general sense, very less. I'm talking about. કશું બી નવું બનાવીએ ને ત્યારે સામેથી હંમેશા એક્સેપ્ટન્સ બહુ ઓછું મળે આપણે. And still I'm talking about the bold enough person who still do the research or still try to find out the solution, how can people going to accept it. If we talk about the DMart or Big Bazaar, before that you had, if you or your father or your sister had been finding out the Subiksha chain, same concept like supermarket, they people bring the Subiksha. Nowadays we are having a Big Bazaar or DMart, right? But they are before the time where people are not that much mature that they are going to go there and buy the products. Because they are before the time, that's why they suffer the huge losses and they need to close their all the chains, all the stores across the India. Now, timing of your research also is very much important. Please understand this thing. If now I'm doing certain research on my coal and I find it out the efficient solution for my rail products or train, do you think it's been seriously appreciated by the community or the across the globe? If I'm doing invention, finding out good technology to utilize my coal for running the trains, can people appreciate that at this moment of time? Yes, no. Timing, that's why it's very important. If I'm giving this important of research lecture in your 10th standard or 11th standard, can it is appropriate for you guys? हाँ ना?
नो सर.
बोलो. Does it has been appropriate for you guys?
Yes.
At that moment of time, you people are mature enough to understand what I'm telling right now to you guys. At that moment of time, you people are aware about your country's GDP or the independence of crude and all the things. Honestly, you people are going to understand in your 9th or 10th standard. Please understand that.
નાસાના જે સાયન્ટિસ્ટ હોય છે ને એ લોકો યુએસ માં જાય છે સ્કૂલ્સ માં એમાં and they teach them the very basics and things કે રોવર આ રીતે અમે એમાં ડિઝાઇન કર્યું હતું ના so like the seeds they sow the seeds there and then they nourish it in like higher standards.
That's perfectly correct. But honestly, the such environment also is needed for us. You can see our school and their school. They people are investing heavily across the globe. If we talk about these two countries are investing maximum of their GDP for the research, Israel and South Korea. But if you take same thing in the term of the US dollar, then it's been United States is investing heavily. Does that thing is applicable to India? Honestly, not. Why people are running abroad from the Indian? Why our talent goes over there? The people are getting ample amount of opportunities over there. Initially in the talk, you already described that here our system is very much corrupted. If the person is want to do something, then also you need to face certain legal procedure, and in that procedure, definitely the people are frustrated. That's we need to understand. Till in this list, if I take top 100 countries, I didn't find it out, India, honestly.
હા એ ટ્રુ છે તમે જે કીધું એ બટ લાઈક ઇટ ઇઝ પાર્શિયલી ટ્રુ લાઈક આપણે જ્યારે એટલે મારી જોડે એવા ઘણા બધા એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ છે કે આપણા ત્યાંની જ ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યુશન્સ છે બટ આપણી ગવર્મેન્ટ જ એમને સપોર્ટ નહીં કરતી લાઈક તમને જો ખ્યાલ હોય
That's
તો
correct.
there is this startup called as મોહનદાસ ગાંધી ને કંઈક એનું MKU એનું ફૂલ ફોર્મ મને અત્યારે યાદ નથી. ઇટ્સ અ વેરી ગુડ ડિફેન્સ ઇક્વિપમેન્ટ મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી. સ્ટાર્ટઅપમાં બહુ જ મસ્ત છે એનું. લાઈક જર્મનીની આર્મ્ડ ફોર્સિસ નો એની જોડે ઓર્ડર આવે છે, ઇન્ડિયન આર્મી ના ઓર્ડર છે નથી. ઇન્ડિયન આર્મી એમ કહે છે કે આ અમારા માટે કેલિબર નથી. હવે એ જર્મની માટે બનાવી શકે છે અને આપણી ઇન્ડિયન આર્મી એમ કહી રહી છે કે અમારું જ સ્ટાર્ટઅપ ની કેપેબિલિટી નથી.
So that's a
એટલે શું
governance
કહેવા
problem.
માંગે
That we
ઇન્ડિયન આર્મી કે
cannot solve this problem.
જર્મનીની ઇક્વિપમેન્ટ ઇન્ડિયન ઇક્વિપમેન્ટ કરતા ખરાબ છે. લાઈક મતલબ શું જોક મારી રહ્યા છે એ લોકો. એવી જ રીતે તેજસ ની વાત કરીએ તો તમે તેજસમાં પણ એવું કરી શકતા હતા કે યુ કુડ હેવ પરચેસ 400 or 500 તેજસ બટ વી ઓનલી પરચેસ 69. હવે 69 માં જે ઇકોનોમીઝ ઓફ સ્કેલ હોય એ 500 કે 400 માં ના હોય. એન્ડ ક્લિયરલી આ વસ્તુ World War II માં બહુ ક્લિયરલી સામે આવી હતી બીકોઝ જર્મની હેડ ધ ક્વોલિટી whereas Russians had quantity and Russians won the war.
Correct.
Whereas your Tejas is neither quality, જેમ કે જે આપણું રફાલ છે it is quality aircraft, right? 4.5 generation fighter jet બહુ સારા features છે નાતે, but you don't have appropriate quantity. 30-60 શું થઈ જવાનું છે? Now when you are taking a fighter jet which has zero quality, you can have it in large number so that તમારા દુશ્મનને એમ થાય કે નહીં યાર 1000 મારી સામે આવશે instead of 69 or 70 fighter jets.
Absolutely correct.
એ છે. પછી બીજું એક છે કે તમારું એડ્યુકેશનલ સિસ્ટમ પણ તો એવું છે ને લાઈક વેન યુ ડોન્ટ ઇન્વોલ્વ પીપલ ટુ પ્રોબ્લેમ સોલ્વ એન્ડ થિંગ્સ લાઈક ટુ બી ઓનેસ્ટ આપણી કઈ એવી સ્કૂલ છે કે કઈ એવી કોલેજ છે જેમાં તમે એમ જેમાં લેક્ચરમાં આખા 50 મિનિટ્સના એક લેક્ચરમાં કોઈ એમ નહીં કહેતું કે ભાઈ આ ક્વેશ્ચન આટલા માર્ક્સમાં પૂછાશે. So when you don't want to do that, when your final aim is કે હા ભાઈ મારે એક્ઝામમાં આટલા percentage લઈને આવવા છે, you cannot generate the best of the best people. પછી તમે આ વર્કફોર્સ જ જનરેટ કરશો. યુ કેન સે ધેમ એઝ ઇન્ટેલેક્ચ્યુઅલ લેબર ક્લાસ કે હા ભાઈ એ લોકો ભણેલા ગણેલા છે અને જસ્ટ એમને કમ્પ્યુટર આવડે છે. બસ that's the difference between them and some another labor who is just working with no computer possibly.
Absolutely correct. We are white collar labor. Yes, we are sitting in AC and we are just doing same stereotype work every day. Nothing else. That's very nice conversation. Anybody else want to add something? Whatever the sir has been spoken it about.
अरे सर तुम मन सर ना करो, ऐसा मेरे को डर लगता है. वो
मेरे को तेरा नाम नहीं पता बेटा, तो मैं कैसे एड्रेस करूं तेरे को, बोल.
नहीं सर मारो नाम ध्रुवल है और सर बोलो सर मैंने हमें वो ऐसा.
ओके तो मैं भी अपने क्लास में स्टूडेंट को कहता you need to tell my name rather than telling me sir. मेरे को भी बहुत डर लगता है honestly. Answer is that. So don't worry about it. If we met physically, I will enjoy seriously your company. After Corona, one day you will come over here. Definitely, we are going to meet that thing.
Yes sir. તમે like કયા ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ માં છો? Like
computer engineering बेटा.
જોયા નથી like face to
मैंने
face.
अभी ज्वाइन किया, मैंने बोला ना मैं मई के एंड में ज्वाइन किया. So definitely you people had not seen me, but might be you people are coming in the future at that moment of time. You need to find it out me. કેમ કે મેં તારો ફેસ નથી જોયો એટલે તારે મને શોધવાનો છે.
મેની પહેલા તમે કોઈ R&D કંપનીમાં હતા?
नहीं, basically I did my BTech, MTech, PhD continuously. After that I did job for research project and then I joined Parul University. And then I come back to over here. अब कितने टाइम यहाँ पे हूँ वो भी मेरे को नहीं पता. But honestly, at sometimes if I'm over here, I need to interact with such type of talent that you seriously had a good oratorship, honestly, you can had a great future, honestly, from my point of view. That later on we can discuss. नहीं तो तुम्हारे student मेरे को ये करेंगे. Okay, this is the basic thing that I want to convey to you. I don't need to tell that what do you mean by research if you are doing theoretical research or applied research. But most probably you need to understand if you're talking about research, the fundamental two aspects are from the research if we talk about it. One has been theoretical research. Theoretical research, if any person is doing theoretical research, has been God for me, honestly. Please understand this thing. You are inventing some new theoretical concept. And if you are doing applied research, means you had a theory and you're using that thing and optimizing your task, whatever the rule told that now you are finding the efficient bullet train or something, you're increasing the efficiency about it. But the solution the people had not provided, they had inherited a certain theoretical aspect, and after that they apply that theoretical aspect to invent something. And you are improving the performance, efficiency, or anything, whatever you are doing. So this is basically part of the applied research. More or less, your community, 90% of people doing applied research. But whatever the 10% people are doing, they are seriously the gems of the universe, honestly, from my point of view. Because we need to understand how much difficult to do the theoretical research. If we talk about quantum computer, when I was doing my PhD, at that moment of time, my friend was doing the work on quantum computer. Though we people didn't see the quantum computer at that moment of time, and still I had not seen the quantum computer. He's doing his PhD thesis that if there are certain errors coming in the quantum computer, how you are going to solve that thing? He's doing theoretical research. I think he's still a little in his PhD program. He's doing his research from IIT Kanpur, and this is the 9th year. He still find it out certain ways how to seriously generate the solution for it. If your quantum computer is going to exist, after that, if there is certain errors coming, how can you going to solve that thing? If your physical contain is not there, if your physical computer is not there, I'm talking about 2010 era. At that moment of time, I don't know, the people had a physical access to the quantum computers. So honestly, the people are doing that thing, and theoretical research is very much important. If you talk about Alan Turing, sir, everyone knows about Alan Turing because you are computer science people. आप लोगों ने नोबेल प्राइज के बारे में सुना है? किसी ने भी नोबेल प्राइज? यस नो, सबने सुना तो होगा यार, नोबेल प्राइज क्या होता है?
यस सर।
जोर से बोलो बेटा, जोर से बोलो
सर। इंडिया में क्वांटम कंप्यूटर है?
वही, वो लास्ट में बात करेंगे। पहले मैंने बोला नोबेल प्राइज सुना है कि नहीं सुना है?
यस सर।
हाँ, तो अगर कोई इंजीनियर या कंप्यूटर साइंटिस्ट कुछ नया चीज इन्वेंट करता है तो उसको नोबेल प्राइज मिलता है। આપણે આપવાનું નહીં, ખાલી વિચાર્યું છે કે મળે કે ના મળે, એવું છે? મળે
ના મળે.
કેમ?
એ ત્રણ મેઇન ફિલ્ડ હોય છે, ફિઝિક્સ, કેમેસ્ટ્રી, મેથ્સ, અને બાકીનો બે પેલું કચરો ટાઈપ. એક તો પેલું વર્લ્ડ પીસ ટાઈપ નું, એ તો કોઈ પણ યુએસ પ્રેસિડેન્ટ ને પકડાઈ દેવાનું.
એ વસ્તુ કરેક્ટ છે. તો આપણાને કયો અવોર્ડ મળે બેટા? એબ્સોલ્યુટલી કરેક્ટ. વોટએવર ધ રૂલ ટોલ્ડ that we cannot get the Nobel Prize if we can do any work in computer and if we had invented any massive thing, leave it. तो हमको कौन सा अवार्ड मिलेगा? हमको ट्यूरिंग अवार्ड मिलता है. दिस इज अ फील्ड बेस्ट अवार्ड. हमको नोबेल प्राइज नहीं मिलता. अगर ट्यूरिंग साहब 38 इयर्स में एक्सपायर्ड ना हो जाते तो हमारे पास बहुत सारी नई नई चीजें होती. Sir Alan Turing basically lived for 38 or 39 years. I honestly don't know exact year, but that's why our field, any invention, if the biggest person is inventing something, it's getting Sir Alan Turing Award rather than Nobel Prize Award. और क्वांटम कंप्यूटर एग्जिस्ट करता है कि नहीं करता है इंडिया में वो नहीं पता, लेकिन एग्जिस्ट करता है राइट नाउ. आई थिंक चारूसेट also had purchased one of the computer of 45 lakhs. The people are telling this would be in quantum computer. Still, the delivery of that computer, the people had not received. But after it's received, I can comment on it. Till date, I had not seen the physical quantum computer, honestly. મેં નથી જોયું. ચોખ્ખું સાચું આન્સર.
ખ્યાલ છે બે ત્રણ ઇન્ડિયાના જ લાઈક વર્લ્ડના બેસ્ટ ક્વોન્ટમ કમ્પ્યુટર સાયન્ટિસ્ટ બે ઇન્ડિયન હતા. નાઉ દે આર વર્કિંગ ફોર ચાઇના.
So okay, we had completed with our time. Honestly, I interacted with Dhruval. I think more people need to interact rather than only Dhruval, honestly, because हमने कोई knowledge sharing नहीं किया, हमने सिर्फ information exchange किया, whatever we just discussing without. And my Microsoft team is not working, that's why I had joined with Dhruv madam's ID. So thank you so much. Hope we can meet next time with some other topics, honestly, so we can share certain knowledge about it. Anything from your side?
Sure, sir. We will be happy to join one again.
Thank you so much. Okay.
હેલો હેલો સર 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 હેલો હેલો હેલો
હા હા નત બંધ કર્યું.
હા હા તમારી કોન્ટેક્ટ ડિટેલ્સ
શું કહો છો?
કોન્ટેક્ટ ડિટેલ્સ સંપર્ક સાધવા માટેનો કોઈ
ઓકે,
માધ્યમ.
કોન્ટેક્ટ ડિટેલ 701.
એક જ સેકન્ડ.
તને એવું લાગ્યું મેં મીટિંગ લીવ કરી દીધી એટલે આટલું બધું સર સર સર?
हाँ वो ऐसा अच्छे फैकल्टी चारों सेट में मतलब रोना आ गया.
बस ऐसा मजाक मत उड़ा ले भाई.
701
701 694
694
5563.
5563.
ये मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर है, ईमेल आईडी लिख लो.
उबर एक सेकंड आपको कॉल कर दो.
आ गया 8320500708. ईमेल आईडी चिराग पटेल .dce@charuset.ac.in. I think everyone can save my number or my email ID. If you people are having any discussion, we can have a discussion. Basically, my area is been neural network, and I do massive research on it. So nowadays, you people had understand the machine learning or deep networks. But honestly, I want to open that deep network, and exactly how your deep network is working, this is my core research topic. If anyone want to do such things or anyone want to discuss about it, we definitely had a certain meetings, or you can directly call me up. If I'm in meeting, definitely I'm not going to receive it. So you can drop the message, and then after we can had a conversation. ये सबके लिए है, ध्रुवल के लिए नहीं है. सब लोग कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हैं. मैंने सिर्फ एक चीज बोली कि अगर मैं कहीं पे बिजी होऊंगा तो ही फोन नहीं उठाऊंगा. रेस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आई विल रिसीव योर कॉल. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग नंबर 701 694 5563. ध्रुवल ईमेल आईडी